Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2015 Audi TT Coupe S-Line we have new in stock. This Audi TTS Coupe S-Line is finished in red. The S-Line model comes with the 19-inch 5-arm star design alloy wheels, the LED headlights as well as the LED rear lights. You've got the S-Line body styling features with the more aggressive front grille and front trim, as well on the rear with the chrome tailpipes. You've got the comfort and sound package as an optional feature. That gets you the front center armrest, the Audi parking rear system, the Deluxe air conditioning with integrated displays on the center console. You can see the changeable LED displays here. You've also got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. You've got the cruise control function as an optional feature, as well as the 4-way electronic lumbar support. You've got heated front seats as an optional feature. And you've also got the heated and folding electronic wing mirrors as an optional feature. If you'd like any more information or would like to see the full specification sheet on this 2015 Audi TT S-Line Coupe, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.